Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Ken with a repair video. We're going to be doing a timing belt on a 2009 Honda Odyssey. Before we get started with the video, I just want to be transparent on a few things. First off, there is no provided torque specs of any kind on the video. If you're looking for torque specs, please consult your service manual or just leave me a comment down below and I'll provide it for you. And secondly, this is a shop setting. So if you're doing this in your driveway, you're probably going to need different tools, different ways of doing the job. So please keep that in mind as you're watching this. And enjoy it. Thank you. Alright, so now we're left with the tensioner. Well, if you're going to reuse the old tensioner, make sure first off that it's not leaking like this one is. In those cases, they will be leaking. But if you have one that isn't, you can reuse it. So you have to compress this dowel down, and there's a few ways you can do this. One, you can try to use a C-clamp. Alright, I got this old Pittsburgh one. You can try to use that, or you can use a workbench. So you want to hook it up like this, and then turn it until the holes line up. And go slowly and make sure the tensioner doesn't slip off of the C-clamp here. Now, once we get to that point, we can stick one of these in there, but you may not have that, which is okay. If you have a small Allen key laying around, you can use that and just put it right through the hole. And that's it. You can reinstall this tensioner however you want. There you go. Alright, now in case there is some confusion here, here's a small guide to help you guys out. On the PCM there are shapes: circle, a triangle, and a square. The connectors have the same shape on them. On the inside there, circle right there, and triangle, triangle, square, square. Alright, so that was the end of the video. Anyway, I hope it helps a lot of you, and for the rest of you, I hope you guys found it informative, as that is my hope here. My goal was to do that. So yeah, there'll be other repair videos out there from me, but few in between. I guess it's a little hard to find time to record at work when you're working, but I'll try to make some more. Thank you all so much for watching. See you on the next one.